Hi, my name is Campbell Quirk. In May 2020, I graduated from Monmouth College with a major in exercise science and a business administration minor. In the fall, I'll start graduate school at Florida State University in sports science. Looking back at my time at Monmouth, I was extremely lucky that I decided to attend a great liberal arts program. Like some of you here, I had no idea what I wanted to do in the future, which made me really nervous. However, with the great guidance from my advisors and the ability to take a vast variety of classes, I was able to find my niche. When I look back at my time at Monmouth College, I learned that the most important things you learn will not be graded. While I received one degree from Monmouth College, my ideas, thoughts, opinions, and most importantly, my goals have grown and have given me the motivation to achieve things I did not know were possible before. In a world that is becoming increasingly smaller, having a large skill set with a great attitude and work ethic will set you apart from the crowd. Roll Scots.